the fastest way to travel in Honkai Stereo. You might think it's just sprinting, but what if I told you there's an exploit that can make you sprint even faster? So, is it like Genshin where spam sprinting is faster? Definitely not. What if we varied the frequency between the sprints? Nope. Or do tall characters with long legs run faster like in Genshin? Nope either. Look at how fast those little legs go. And since we can't jump, bunny hopping isn't an option either. But there's a new secret exploit that I just discovered that allows you to go much faster. If you teleport to the parlor car, talk to Pom Pom, sprint against the chessboard, and look at this whale, you might just get enough luck to get Yuko and across the...
Life is as... something is... Do you want to leave? Yeah. No more playing nice. Let me through, or I'll go through you. Take this! Shape of Taishu! Rise Phoenix! お久しぶりです。お寿司様。ご指導を。激流。狂乱。この戦法はめったに見せないんだから。マイケル奇襲。三月の水。雲。
Let's dispense with pleasantries.
You dare attack someone on our turf? Well, how about a few rounds with me? Let's get it going! ほんと仕方ない